and welcome to another edition of ProtoMet Tries, and in today's video I picked the wrong colored shirt because I'm going to be trying Cheetos Flamin' Hot Cheddar BBQ. And of course, this white shirt may wind up being red by the end of the day. Red and spicy. But yeah, no, Cheetos Flamin' Hot. This time we got a limited time only flavor. Let's give it a shot. Cheddar BBQ. I've said before I'm not a huge fan of barbecue, but maybe the cheese will make it taste different. Let's see. Well, it definitely smells like barbecue. This is what one looks like, but as you can tell, it's Cheetos. They don't have a uniform shape. It is covered in a reddish dust. See how it tastes. That's weak. I mean, yeah, it's got a bit of a barbecue-y taste, but it's kind of a subdued barbecue-y taste. And as far as the flaming hot heat, it's actually pretty mild. I'm legitimately disappointed. There is a bit of a cheesy taste to it, but I don't quite think it's enough to I don't think it's quite enough to make up for the fact that the barbecue and flaming hot flavors are really lacking this time around. It's fine for snacking on, but it's not really wowing me like I would have hoped. I'm actually rather disappointed. I mean, you kind of gotta have quite a few of these for the traditional flaming hot heat to really start to kick in. And while it's something that I've long discovered that the more of something hot you have, the more intense the heat becomes. And right now it is starting to heat up a fair bit. It doesn't really account for the fact that the barbecue taste just is, pardon the pun, weak sauce. I actually think that maybe I'm pretty confident that there's a flaming hot barbecue flavor that's a lot better than this. Because this is seriously like, if you want to, give it a shot, but it's a pass for me. This weekend has been disappointing. Anyway, until next time, I'm ProtoMet. See ya.